yard. There we go. Wasn't in the yard. We might find it up where we live. So hard to see. Flashes.
Yeah.
Somebody would have come out and seen it and thought, what the hell is that? Only for seeing him.
Just well he told us.
Yeah.
We wouldn't have noticed it otherwise.
No, he wouldn't have. We're actually looking out for it. Yeah, just park here, love. He'll think, oh my god. Yep, there he is. He'll say, you're kidding me. Yeah, pal.
Are you kidding me?
There you are.
Oh, thank you.
It wasn't in my yard, but it went very close to our place.
Thank you. I buy you a beer. I got to buy you a beer. Unbelievable. Oh my God, he'll make his day. They found it. Other people that were here, and they found it. I can't believe that. Oh, he's going to be the happiest boy on the planet. You want to come back here? You might as well come back here. I've got your helicopter. I've got your helicopter. I was speaking to some people while I was just flying by, and I said, mate, if you find it, he goes, we live out that way. Well, yeah, we live out that way. They just came back. They came back with us, and we found it. Okay, see ya. Bye. The battery's still flashing.
Oh god. Hi. There it is. Look. Oh, Daddy's battery.
Silly, Dad.